You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello and Merry Christmas, crafty friends, and happy holidays to all of you. I know everybody's busy crafting away with gifts and cards and everything that they're doing because Christmas is coming so soon. Sorry to interrupt all your holiday crafting, but Cricut just released a new mystery box. And in the mystery box, we got a new Cutie. It can't be like Christmas time without a new Cutie, right? So this is going to be Cricut's Aquamarine mystery box. And because we got a new Cutie, let's go ahead and show that first because they do sell out fast with the new Cuties. And the new Cutie color is olive. Olive. So he is like the khaki, like army green actually, like a perfect army green. So this is olive. And because we have a new Cutie, those boxes sell out fast. So if you'd like to purchase, there are links in the video description below. And you do have to be Access because it has a Cutie, but you can join Access too. Okay, now let's get into the rest of the box. Ooh, I'm super excited to see these. We have not had these in a mystery box in a long time, and they're so cool. We are getting not only watercolor cards, but we are getting the watercolor brush and marker set. These are very cool. So the cards are S40 size, so they're 4.75 squared, and you're gonna get 12 in here, plus the envelopes. And these work with the watercolor, with the watercolor marker and brush set. So in here, you're gonna get all of these colors, and then the white, where's that? And then the white that you see here is actually a pen that you just put water in. So you can go ahead, have your Cricut draw on the watercolor cards, and then the magic happens when you add the water, and then you paint onto it. It's a painting, but you're painting with water. And then super fun. It's super pretty to do too. And it's like making hand-painted cards in my eyes. If you haven't tried this, you have to. They're really so fun to work with. And so pretty. I'm really excited for that because actually I was out of watercolor cards and I needed some. So I was like, ooh. And we're getting some Sports Flex iron-on in gold, the beautiful gold color. So this is Sports Flex. So this works for those like athletic fabrics that have like the bend in them. So nylon, polyester works wonderful on. And you're gonna get 11.8 by 24 inches of the pretty gold. Ooh, and if you know me, you know I love sparkle and I love holographic, and we're getting some holographic iron-on. This is like my favorite color. It's beautiful. This is the Dahlia color. So almost like hot pink, but as you can see down here, you can see how it's holographic. So it changes colors as you turn it. Here you can't see it as much. You can just see the color of it, but it definitely is holographic, and this is so pretty. So pretty. And you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of this. Ooh, oh yes. And oh man, this stuff is cool. Have you guys tried this? So this is heat activated color changing vinyl. So it will start off this teal color, and then when it's heat activated, it'll actually change to blue. And this one's heat activated. They do have cold activated too. This is heat activated, perfect for the winter. But think like a coffee mug with snowflakes would look really cool with that. And and it could say, baby, it's cold outside. And your cup will actually tell you if it's cold. Well, if it's warm anyway. You could get the cold activated vinyl, and then your cup would really tell you if it's cold outside. And then last but not least, a rotary cutter. So rotary cutter is great for cutting all your fabrics, like your thick fabrics. You can do layers of fabrics. If you cut quilt squares or anything like that. Actually, when I seen this, I'm like, why haven't I cut shirts sometimes. I like cut the necks of shirts lots of times, and I use scissors, and I'm like, why have I not used this? It's going to make it easier and do a better job. So you get this 60mm rotary cutter for all your fabric. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Aquamarine mystery box. And because we got the Olive Cutie, you do have to be Access members to purchase the box, but there are links below to purchase. And they will tell you all the benefits of having Cricut Access, which I just can't imagine using my Cricut without Access. It gives you so much. So much. Yeah. And the price on the box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but you do get your Access discount on top of that price. The MSRP on this is $127.93 US, and $174.93 Canadian. So you're looking at good savings on this box. And these are really fun. If you get these, please play with them. You'll learn as you go. The first time I did it, I squeezed like way too much water out of my pen, which it still worked, but it just depends how you want to blend. But as you play with it more, you learn more things, and it's really fun. Oh, we're doing a holiday giveaway! Yay! This one we're gonna play a game. We love playing games. As a family, we play games all the time. So we did this before where we did like a whodunit. So think Clue, but we did a holiday version. So you're going to guess who did it, and it's all holiday themed. So our characters are like Santa Claus and Rudolph and Frosty, and then weapons are like wrapping paper and Christmas lights and candy canes. So in the links below, there is a link that takes us to our giveaway. Our giveaway is in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. And I'll tell you how to enter there. You'll post a project, but you will post your guess too. And you are able to enter once per day. Each day does have to be a different project, but you're obviously going to want to do a different guess for that day that you haven't guessed already. So there's lots of possibilities. And we did this before. We had lots of fun with it. And we never had anybody get all 3 guesses quick, but we did get a couple people that got 2. And then we just go ahead and put those in a wheel of names and then randomly choose a winner. And if there happens to be more than one person who guesses all 3 this time, then the same thing would happen. We'll just put it in a wheel of names, and then they win $150 to spend at Cricut.com. So make sure and enter that. It's open until December 22nd at 11:59 p.m. I wanted to end it before Christmas because I figured they could still have great sales on. That way I can reach out to the winner, and then they can order stuff and get the most for their money. And I think that's everything, guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you could give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. We will let you know whenever new mystery boxes come out. We greatly appreciate comments and likes and shares. And if you're not on our email list, I'm going to, in the bottom below, also put links to our email list because you can join that. And then as soon as the mystery box comes out, we will email you. We'll give you the link to buy. We'll give you the link to the video so you can see what's in it right away. But we hope all of you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa. Whatever it is you're celebrating, I just hope it's happy and filled with love and joy. I know this time of season can be stressful and everybody's like busy little elves working away. But I hope you guys can truly enjoy the holidays. And I hope Santa is good to all of you. And you still have time to add to Santa's list to whatever you want. And if you're like me, with my husband, I just see something I want and okay, I bought this. This is what you're giving me for Christmas. I mean, I never not like it when I do that. So, and he doesn't complain. He doesn't have to worry about, oh, is she going to like it? Nope, this is what I want. So it's that time of year, basically. Nobody can tell you no. You don't have to tell yourself no either. You can be your own Santa Claus and you get what makes you happy. All right, thank you guys. All have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, and we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting and toodles. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Little cutie lost his sleigh and he can't get away. Hey! Okay. Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome to the mind of Holly. Randomly making up songs all the time.